Hello and a very good morning to all the students. Today we will do our chapter 5 from grammar, and the name of the chapter is gender. As you know, masculine gender refers to males, feminine gender refers to females. We all know, अभी तक हमने जो भी स्टडी क्लासेस में पढ़े हैं जूनियर क्लासेस में, दैट मैस्कुलिन जेंडर स्टैंड्स फॉर मेल्स. जो मेल्स होते हैं उनके लिए मैस्कुलिन जेंडर होती है, एंड फेमिनिन जेंडर स्टैंड्स फॉर फीमेल्स. For example, my father is going to the office. Here father is a masculine gender because we are talking about a male person. Next is my mother is reading a book. In this देखो highlighted क्या है, mother, and mother refers to a feminine gender because we are talking about a female. Mr. John is working on the computer. Now who is Mr. John? He must be a male, so it is masculine gender. And Mr. is used for masculine and Mrs. for feminine gender. Rekha reads newspaper daily. Now here Rekha is a name of a girl, so it is a feminine gender. Some nouns are masculine, that is male. वो words कौन कौन से होते हैं? You have to learn it. Mr, his, man, hero, father, brother, tiger, prince, and so on. So we use it जस्ट फॉर मेल्स. सो ये क्या हो गया? मैस्कुलिन जेंडर हो गया. सम आर फेमिनाइन. अभी देखो फीमेल्स के लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं दोज आर मिसेस, हर, वुमन, हीरोइन, मदर, सिस्टर, टाइग्रेस, प्रिंसेस, एंड सो ऑन. देयर आर ऑल्सो नाउन्स which do not come in the list of a masculine or feminine gender. They are called as neuter and a non-living things. अब देखो कुछ जो है some nouns are neither masculine and nor feminine, means ना वो feminine होते हैं ना masculine होते हैं. So what are they? They are known as neuter gender, means non-living things के लिए जो भी words use होंगे that stands for neuter gender. For example, chair, pen, table, pencil, etc. These all are non-living things. Neuter gender. Now have a look at the definition. When we talk about some non-living things, they are known as neuter gender. जब non-living things की बात होगी, that is known as neuter gender. Example देखो, have a look. Drawings are also there in your book. Pencil, table, bag, chair, pen, etc. And the next is common gender, means we have learned about masculine gender, feminine gender, and neuter gender. Neuter gender is for non-living things. And the next one is common gender. Gender of nouns that may be either masculine or feminine but not neuter, means वो genders जो masculine भी हो सकते हैं, it may be a feminine gender but neuter नहीं होंगे, means non-living things नहीं होंगे. Some nouns can be used for both the genders. For example, doctor. Doctor we use for males and females. This term is used for both the males and the females. And along with that, teacher, engineer, principal, students, professors, and so on. Means all these terms are used for, means equally used for males and females. ऐसा नहीं कि males के लिए कुछ और term है और females के लिए different terms है, no. So you have to learn all these things. Okay, bye bye students.